Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Remember the pepper soup spice I made from the last video? Yeah, I'll be using it to make pepper soup today. And I'll be making catfish pepper soup. For catfish lovers, this video is for. So the list of the ingredients, I have the catfish. It has already been washed thoroughly with hot water and salt to remove the slime, and some people use lime to wash it, but hot water and salt will do just fine. Then to my seasoning, I have the curry powder, the thyme, and pepper soup seasoning. Yeah, pepper soup seasoning is optional, but then to get that pepper soup flavor, you can add it. Seasoning cubes, Cameroon pepper, salt, vegetable oil, garlic powder, and the pepper soup spice from the last video. The first thing I want to do is boil water in a pot. Add about 2 tablespoons of my homemade pepper soup spice. Add ginger powder, the pepper soup seasoning, curry, thyme. I'll season it with some salt and seasoning cubes, and add some black pepper, vegetable oil. After I leave the water to boil a bit, I put in the already washed fish. You need to put the fish on time so it boils together with the pepper soup and the spice are able to enter the fish very well. Then you cover it until the fish is well cooked. You can garnish it with spring onions like I did in the video, or saint leaf if you don't have spring onions. Then the pepper soup is ready to be served. You can serve it with boiled yam, boiled potato, boiled plantain, or any food of your choice. Do well to subscribe and like this video. Thank you. See you again in my next video.